Welcome to a crochet kit unboxing. I hope that my neighbour doesn't disturb us too much, because otherwise I'll have to stop and do it a bit later, but fingers crossed I can get this kit opened and unboxed without too much disturbance. Apart from that little birdie, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's right above me in the tree. So this is from Lottie and Albert. It's a weekender bag and it's got everything included to make this. So let's get it open and see what we've got. Okay, I have managed to get it open, so let's open up and see what's inside. And that's a little postcard and an introduction letter. And it's all really nicely wrapped. I don't really want to spoil it. But I'll have to. Okay. It's got various different instructions and different things inside. Oh, that's pretty. Different. I like that. Okay, so that's that. And inside we have some smiley face stitch markers. They're cute. I like those. There's a 3mm hook. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a 3mm hook. Feels okay. I'll probably use my tulip hooks. And I use this James C. Brett. It's 100% pure DK cotton quite a lot, so I know how this works up. This one is beige. I've not actually seen this colour before. Rich coffee. There's a nice needle and a nice sturdy base for the bottom of the bag. Never actually crocheted with anything like this before, so this will be a new experience for me. And then this must be the liner for inside the bag. I don't know. Nice jute bag. Okay. And it looks like some washi tape. And that looks like everything in this box. So I'm really looking forward to making this bag. Let's see. I don't know if it is a liner or not. It's possible. It says it's a cotton drawstring bag, so we'll just have to wait and see. But I might sit and do that later on today, once I have got my flower sorted. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.